Hi, I'm Mike Spence, and I'm excited to have you on this personal branding adventure with me. What is personal branding? You've heard of it before, but you're probably asking yourself, what exactly is a personal brand? And where is it going to take me in my life? Each and every single person has a personal brand, whether you know it or not. In high school, your brand is what other people thought of you. Maybe you were a jock, a nerd, a geek, a bully, which is different than what people think of you when you're older. What people think of you when you're young and when you're older is still what people think about you. And when you're older, you have a chance to take control of that. Essentially, branding is who you are. So your personal brand is who you are. There are different things. If you look at an office environment or an entrepreneur, whatever it may be, you're going to be like, oh, look at this person in my office. They're lazy, or they're a gossiper, or this person's funny, or this person is a clown. This person is a leader inspiring everyone to work harder. Every single person in your office has a personal brand. But how do you really go out there and determine what your brand is? And how do you communicate your brand? Your brand is your mission. It's your intent, your purpose of what you want to do with your life. Social media is a tool of communicating that message. Do you want to build a community? Do you want to raise awareness about a specific program you're involved with? Or just share information that you have with the world? If you want to increase involvement in a campaign that's going on, bring people to your business to sell products, or recruit talent, essentially your branding can be a tool for a call to action. But it's confusing to figure out what it is. I have a solution, and it's very high tech because we use Post-it notes for this activity. When you are searched on Google, what do people find? You don't have any control over that. If you haven't searched yourself lately, do it and you might be surprised. There might be stuff that you don't want people to see. So I'll help you solve the problem of having Google find information about you. The trick is you have to figure out what that information is. Your personal brand is the intersection of what people already think about you and what you want them to think about you. So I share the Post-it note discovery branding exercise. All you're going to need is 2 different colored Post-it notes, a wall, and a few people who know you. Next, you will find the 6-step process to do that.